Quality sometimes describes who you are.
Sometimes you're facing difficult times. You're facing a lot of difficult times. I think the people that don't know in sheet metal, first of all, it's how much job takes time. They don't know about that.
People don't understand the pressure that we have because there's a lot of departments and we are supplying all of them.
Sheet metal is more challenging, more pressure. Pella, we are the pillar of this company there. We are the ones who started everything there.
I always reiterate to the teams in the morning, in our morning meetings, that, we need to live, breathe our core values. I always tell them, be proud of what you do, be proud of how you present yourself, be proud of the work you put out, whether it be bending, whether it be cutting, whether it be painting.
Actually, the best part on my job in HC is to make sure the job is complete, is to make sure when the job is going to another department, it's going with the 100% quality, it's going with the right quantity, there's no shortages, everything is correct, everything is right.
Okay, so the best part of my job is the people that I work with. So the people are very supportive, they are friendly, there's never a day we don't laugh. So I really like that I'm comfortable around them and they can help me whenever I need help.
Being a female in a male-dominated field, as we work in the engineering field, I think that you need to be strong. The values of whether you are male or female, you need to have perseverance and self-belief, because if you don't even believe in yourself, no one else will.
Like when I see a finished product, I feel like, I can even tell my friend that, no, that's my hands. This one is made by me. I know if I press cut like this one is not laser, it's me. I can even take out the phone and show you that, no, here's my product. Like, it's very, very exciting to see your product out there.
Proud, definitely. It's feel happy when the job is complete. And when I see the progress of the job, feel good, feel happy.
You need to make sure it's gonna fit where it's going. What we are doing is very much impactful. And it's hands-on, because I'm a girl. But I'm gonna lift those heavy things. I'm going to lift them.